Hey everyone, welcome back to Piggy Wolf. I'm thrilled to have you all here with me today as we dive into plant journaling for students and green thumbs of all ages to create beautiful, personalized journals. So let's get started. Step 1. Gathering leaves. Alright, begin with what we first need to do. Gathering leaves from your lovely garden. Look out for leaves that are fresh, vibrant, and free from any damage, ensuring they make your journal truly special. When you've got your leaves all sorted, label them clearly so you can return to them easily later. Step 2. Pressing leaves and flowers. Once your leaves and flowers are here, it's time to actually press them. You'll need to use parchment paper and a hefty book to help you achieve that. Carefully lay each leaf or flower between the sheets of parchment and stack them in the book, ensuring they dry perfectly for a week or so. Step 3. Decorating your journal cover. Once everything's dried and pressed, we can move on to decorating our cover. Start by choosing a banana leaf or an inexpensive cloth cover as your pages. To complete the look, add more elements, such as fabric, chain pendants, buttons, and even a hairband adorned with a chain pendant to keep your journal secure. Step 4. Stop placing your leaves and labels. Once you're happy with the pressed leaves and flowers, place them carefully into your journal using glue or sellotape. Add elements to make your journal truly personal, such as fabric remnants, chain pendants, buttons, and even a hairband with a chain pendant to close the cover. Step 5. Decorating your journal pages. Now that your cover is ready, let's complete the look by placing each leaf and flower in your journal correctly using glue or sellotape. Don't forget to add elements to make your journal truly unique and stand out. When you've got everything in place, decorate the remaining fabric, chain pendants, buttons, and hairband with a chain pendant to complete the look. Finally, we can all look at our completed journal and be proud. To decorate your precious journal, use the waste materials, bags, covers, newspapers, add your personal touch. This way, your journal will surely be unique and showcase your creativity. That's it. Now that you've made your own plant journal, share it with your friends and family as a special keepsake. You'll feel delighted and fulfilled as you've created something with your own creativity. Don't forget to pick up a new plant journal next time you find yourself out, exploring the beauty of the environment in your own way. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you all in the next episode. Bye.